What's good, YouTube? Today I received my new keyboard, the Ducky One 2 Tuxedo TKL. So I wanted a new keyboard for a while now. The previous one, what I had, it's also a TKL keyboard from Logitech, the Logitech G Pro TKL. Don't know if you can see it because of the light. I basically detached it from my setup, so I'm ready to plug in the new keyboard. It's here, it's inside now, it's quite heavy. But one of the main reasons is because of the mechanical keyboard. I just hate the sound of it. I liked it before, but it's just too noisy, and I just always wanted to try the Ducky One series. So here we have it. Let's unbox it and let's try it out. So the funny thing is, it was so lucky for me to even purchase these. They were in stock, and as soon as I bought them, they were out of stock. They only had one left, and I got the last one. I mean, they have a lot of different Ducky One keyboards. On Pro Shop is where I bought it, but I just like the color of the tuxedo, and I like the designs of it. They only had one left, and they won't have them in stock until 10th of October. So I'm quite happy and lucky with this. All right. Can you see? Ooh. It looks old school. It looks, with the color. Oh, I love it. Ooh, time for the reveal. Whoa. It is light. Hello. Compared to compared to this, it's heavy AF, man. Heavy. But this one, super light. I mean, I could give you guys an idea on the keyboard sound. I think I want to do another video to sound test of this keyboard with my Shure mic. Or you know what, I think I can do it later on. Yeah, let's have a sound test later on in the video, because I bought a new mic for my camera to have better sound. Alright, here we go, Ducky One 2 TKL Tuxedo. Yeah, why am I doing it up there? Because my mic is up there. Hello? How do you like the design of it? Honest opinion. And if you have a Ducky One 2 keyboard, let me know which one, and I would like to see them. Also, I don't know why, but I feel like I would love to collect different keyboards. I gave 2-3 keyboards away now, 3. Because I was like, I got a new one, now I don't need the old one. But with these type of keyboard, the TKL series and Ducky One 2 Mini, I would love to try a Ducky 2 1 Mini model in the future. But this just said, hey Redrix, pick me, man. I would fit great on your setup. So let's see what there is in this box. So we've got the wire, we've got a little brochure. Bonjour. Okay, we got the wire. We got some extra keycaps. Is it called keycaps? I don't know. Hello. We got extra of these. And here to remove your keys. And the wire. And the box. And that's it. Let's head over to my desk and set it up. And I want to switch the mic so you can hear the sound test of this keyboard. I might even do a different video if I can't find the microphone, because we moved a month ago, 1.5 months ago. I haven't seen it since, so if I can find it, I will put it in this video. Alright, let's switch. Alright, so I set it up, but I've been searching for that mic for around 20 minutes, 25 minutes, and I think it is outside in some boxes, and I need to do a different video to make the sound test of this keyboard. But now here you go, guys. Let me just switch it up. There you go. Focus. And also I ordered a new mouse. I'm going to have the Superlight X Pro, Logitech X Pro Superlight in white. Perhaps I'll do another video for that, but here we have my new keyboard. I hope you guys like it. Smash the like button if you liked it, and let me know in the comments if you want a sound test in a different video. I will try to find the mic, okay? So until then, I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.